Before we jump into the fascinating world of Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma, we have a quick request. If you're excited about continuous learning and professional growth, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our informative videos. Got a friend or colleague who can benefit from this knowledge? Don't hesitate to share this video with them. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the world of Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma. Welcome, this is 3i Solution Consulting, your trusted guide in Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma. We specialize in equipping professionals with the knowledge and skills needed to excel in these methodologies. Today we bring you an insightful video on Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma certifications. Six Sigma and Lean. Six Sigma are powerful tools for process improvement. Embracing these methodologies can enhance efficiency, reduce waste, and drive significant business growth. Stay with us as we dive deep into the world of Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma. Six Sigma, a methodology that revolutionized quality management. This approach was born in the mid-80s under the roof of Motorola with the goal to eliminate defects and improve process quality. Six Sigma is named after a statistical concept where a process only produces 3.4 defects per million opportunities. That's near perfect quality. Central to Six Sigma is the DMAIC process. Define, measure, analyze, improve, and control. In the define stage, you identify the problem. Measure involves gathering data related to the problem. Analyze is about discovering the cause of the problem. Improve is the stage where you develop and implement a solution. And finally, control is about maintaining the solution to avoid reverting to the old process. So, in essence, Six Sigma is all about improving quality and eliminating defects. Lean Six Sigma, a blend of speed and precision. You've already heard about the focused precision of Six Sigma, but what happens when you add a dash of speed to the mix? That's where Lean comes in. Lean principles are all about speed, efficiency, and above all, reducing waste. Just as Six Sigma is a methodology for eliminating defects, Lean is a system for eliminating waste. Waste, in Lean terms, is anything that doesn't add value to the customer. This could be wasted time, wasted materials, or even wasted movement. Now imagine combining these two powerful methodologies. Lean Six Sigma is exactly that, a hybrid approach that aims to improve speed and efficiency by reducing waste, while also maintaining the rigorous focus on quality and precision that Six Sigma is known for. This synergy allows organizations to achieve their goals faster and more efficiently, without sacrificing quality. Lean Six Sigma aims for perfection in speed and quality. Six Sigma and Lean. Six Sigma certifications come in various levels. The first rung on the Six Sigma ladder is the white belt, which provides a general understanding of the methodology. Climbing up, we have the yellow belt for those who participate as project team members. The green belt is next, designed for those who lead projects part-time. The black belt is for full-time project leaders who handle complex problems. At the top, we have the master black belt, reserved for experienced black belts who manage multiple projects and mentor other belts. On the Lean Six Sigma side, the belt levels are similar but with an added emphasis on lean principles at each level. This means that alongside the statistical analysis and problem-solving techniques of Six Sigma, Lean Six Sigma belts also focus on waste reduction and process speed improvement. Each level signifies a different level of expertise and knowledge. Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma, two methodologies with a common goal, but how do they differ? Let's delve into that. Six Sigma primarily focuses on reducing process variation and enhancing process control, while Lean Six Sigma combines the principles of Lean and Six Sigma to eliminate waste from processes and improve speed and performance. Lean is about speed and efficiency, while Six Sigma is about precision and accuracy. In terms of objective, Six Sigma focuses on consistent quality by reducing defects and variability in processes. On the other hand, Lean Six Sigma focuses not only on quality, but also on the speed of delivery by eliminating waste and reducing process time. Now, let's look at key areas of application. Six Sigma is widely applied in industries where precision is critical, such as manufacturing and finance. Lean Six Sigma, with its dual focus, finds application in industries like healthcare and supply chain, where both quality and process speed are imperative. While they share commonalities, their approach and focus areas differ. Choosing the right certification is crucial for your career. Six Sigma and Lean Six Sigma are powerful tools, but they're not one-size-fits-all. They suit different roles, industries, and career goals. If you're a professional keen on improving processes, eliminating defects, and ensuring quality, Six Sigma could be your go-to. It's widely adopted across industries from manufacturing to healthcare, finance, to IT. For those in roles that require improving process speed, reducing waste, and enhancing customer value, Lean Six Sigma might be the better choice. It combines the structure of Six Sigma with the efficiency of Lean, making it ideal for professionals in fast-paced, customer-centric environments. And remember, the level of certification matters too. From white belt to master black belt, each level signifies a deeper understanding and higher expertise. So, consider your career aspirations, assess your readiness for commitment, and choose wisely. The right certification can propel your career to new heights. Getting certified is a commitment to professional development. The process generally involves 3 key steps: training, examination, and project completion. Training can be done online or in person, depending on your preference and the availability of courses. It's important to ensure that the training provider is accredited by a recognized body, such as the American Society for Quality or the International Association for Six Sigma certification. Once you've completed your training, the next step is the examination. This is a rigorous test of your understanding of Six Sigma or Lean Six Sigma principles and methodologies. After passing the exam, you'll need to complete a real-world project that demonstrates your ability to apply what you've learned. Remember, certification is not just about passing an exam, it's about mastering a set of skills and gaining the confidence to apply them in your professional life. Certification is a journey, but it's one worth taking. Certification brings multiple benefits. One of the most exciting advantages is career advancement. With a Six Sigma or Lean Six Sigma certification, you can stand out in the crowd, demonstrating your commitment to improving business processes and your skills in problem solving. Next, we have salary increase. Certified professionals can earn significantly more than their non-certified peers. This is because businesses understand the value that these skills bring. It's a worthwhile investment. Thirdly, certification provides industry recognition. It's a globally acknowledged endorsement of your capabilities, making you more marketable and opening up a world of opportunities. Lastly, there's the benefit of personal development. The journey to certification is one of learning and growth. It enhances your analytical abilities, problem-solving skills, and knowledge of effective business methodologies. So, whether you're looking to climb the career ladder, increase your earning potential, gain recognition, or simply improve yourself, certification can open doors and provide new opportunities. We've covered a lot of ground today. We've explored the origins and goals of Six Sigma, delving into the DMAIC process and how it serves to streamline and improve business processes. We've also uncovered the principles of Lean Six Sigma, focusing on waste reduction and process speed improvement. We've walked through the various levels of certification, from white belt to master black belt, and discussed how to choose the right certification for you based on your career aspirations, industry, and professional role. We've looked at the certification process, including training, examination, and project completion requirements. And we've touched on the tangible benefits of certification, from career advancement and salary increase to industry recognition and personal development. Now, it's up to you to take the next steps towards certification. Remember, the journey to certification is a journey to excellence. Thank you for staying with us. If you're eager to learn more, don't let this journey end here. Your next step? Hit that subscribe button. Together, we'll delve deeper into the world of process improvement methodologies. Subscribe and join us as we explore more about process improvement methodologies.